Klingon Bird of Prey, sir. She's arming torpedoes. Fire, Mr. Scott.
Good shooting, Mr. Scott.
Hello, welcome to Blue Harvest Toys, and yes, it's finally arrived. Third day of waiting for it. My God. Thanks DPD. Thanks Playmobil for sending me this actually. So we're going to just do an unboxing and then we'll do a build. I can open this bad boy up. We'll do a build separately, I think. We'll just... oh right, we're on the wrong way around. Typical. Anyway, we'll do it that way. It doesn't really matter, does it? So we've got the... that's already... Anyway, here we go. So we've got the instructions. The movie Star Trek 3, The Search for Spock. For American science fiction film. As if we didn't know. Right. We'll read that when we get to the review, I think. So there we go. We've got sound effects. Lots of sound effects. So you want me to get straight to that, I know. They've got animated screens as well, believe it or not. So yeah, these I will do a full review on it afterwards as well. We'll do the unboxing, we'll do the building, and then we'll do the review, because I never reviewed the Enterprise. I built it but never reviewed it. So looks like we go through, we'll do the base first, which is unusual. So we'll quickly go through these. I think what I'll do is, like I do with the Knight Rider, I will do photographs of when I do this build. There we go, we've got a addendum by the look of it. So you can plug it in as well as put the batteries in, which is always good. So there's the parts, all the parts you get. Fantastic. So we just want to look. Some things in there. All the bits are in there. Bag of bits. The bridge. We'll get onto the bridge as well when we review it. So I know a lot of people are saying that it's too small, which it is. It is. It's not a playset like you had with the Enterprise, but with the Enterprise you had the fact that it doesn't look right underneath on the saucer section, whereas this, you want to have the ship looking. You can't have a big bridge there, can you? It wouldn't look right. It's a bit of a issue with the Enterprise, but something that we can get over. Look at that! Wow, that's a bit of an issue. Not really, but there we go. So we've got his wings. Got more bags of bits, and things like that, and another wing. And obviously that'll just fit into there, but we'll do that when we get to it. Another box, nice little box. Unfortunately, it's the outer box is perfect. I did get damage on my Enterprise box. Here's the figures. Here's another bag of bits. I don't think there's anything under here. It's just oh, there is. This is a base. Right. So we'll go through this bag of bits. We'll get it all out. Oh, there we go. There's the control, the lights, the sounds. So we need that. Wow. So there's the engine, and that it does all the sounds. You would not believe me. Just wait till you to hear the sounds. Right. So we'll get to the figures at the end. More bag of bits. bits for hanging it from the ceiling, which I am going to do. I've got no room left. So bags of bits, stickers. Not many stickers this time, which thank God for that. We've got the base. Look at that Klingon single base. Is that fantastic or what? And it's a play set as well. It's a play set for Genesis, but there's different screens for the bridge that you put in there. So it would be useful if I was using the stand. Klingon symbol there. So let's get rid of the box. Not get rid of it, but nicely packaged. Not like a certain other company I could mention. That's right. There we go. Let's put that in there. Better than I packaged it anyway. Right, let's get that out of the way. We'll get my initial thoughts on this, and then the next video will be the making of it. Right, so we've got Krug. So we've got 2 Christopher Lloyd. I've got Doc Brown, and I've got Krug. And yeah, I always try and mention this, that obviously Christopher Lloyd played Krug. Christopher Lloyd played Doc Brown. Now DeLorean. He had a time machine with a DeLorean, and he gave a time machine, the Bird of Prey, to Kirk. So he had 2 time machines. So anyway, right, let's get these out and have a quick look at these. It's not going to be in the build. Oh, look at that! You've got to destroy the box, which is unfortunate. That's one issue. I'm going to destroy the box. I'd rather do that. God, right. Nice little plastic tray. So we've already got the weapons. You don't have to do anything with these. So we've got Krug, we've got Maltz, Kirk, and Spock. Younger Spock. Kirk's pretty good. I like that uniform. Well, it's not uniform, it's his outfit, isn't it? Doesn't have a uniform. He's got the Klingon communicator there. Maltz, Joyachu. So Maltz has got a communicator. Krug's got a disruptor, and Spock's got nothing. So there, right. That's good. So yeah, size-wise, it's about right for a Bird of Prey, because you don't want it to be as big as your Enterprise, and it seems about right to me. Oh, we've got some more Klingons in there as well. We've got more Klingons with daggers and things like that. So we've got 6 figures actually. I think. Yeah, six figures. That obviously goes on there. It all lights up. Your front lights up, your bridge lights up, your engine lights up. Sound effects, we will get to those when we build it. So there we go. Very, very, very good. That must be the underside. Guns that fire as well. Just bits all over, you know what I mean? I'll go there, I think. Yeah. Sound, and we'll try and get it attached to the roof, hang it from the roof. I think that's what I'm going to do with DeLorean as well when I build that. So there we go. Okay, that's the unboxing. You've got to start off with the base, which I'm not going to use, but we'll use it for now. Trying to get through the instructions. There's a lot of things to read, for me to read through, but I'm going to build it first. So we've got the base, we've got the trees to put in. I think just they go. There's 3 trees. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. So there's one. That one goes there. I think that one goes there. And that one just, I don't know, just random into it, just shove them in. Shove them in anywhere. God, they don't want to go in. What the hell? There we go. He's in, they're in. Flames. Flames shooting out everywhere. I think that's meant to go in there. Just randomly put flames in. You can hear the sound effects. I'm hoping you can't, 'cause I'm keeping that a secret till later on. That's for later. So I know you want to watch that. Hopefully the sound's okay, because I know my gimbal's been having issues lately. But we'll quickly do the bass, because not really bothered about the bass, are we? So that's why I'm just randomly putting fire in there. That goes on top of there, because that is where you keep your bridge thingamajiggies. And we do need to put the poles in there for the stand. So the base wants to go like that, and that goes there. So obviously it'll go on there. We'll put it on there for now until we get the ceiling sorted. So right, we've got the base sorted. I can put that over there. Put the Klingons on there. Got extra Klingons to put on the base. We've got Kirk, Spock, Krug and Maltz. So we need this now, don't we? Woohoo! Right. So we've got stickers to put on first. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. Alright, let's get this the right way around. So number 6. I don't think it'll take the 2 hours it took me to do the Enterprise. But you never know, So I'm assuming 7 goes at that side. There we go. That'll do. And there. Number 3. Is that? Doesn't really tell you where it goes, to be honest with you. I think it goes around there. Number 2. So number 2, they go around the side. Around there. There we go. You can see that there. I'm trying to rush these stickers. I shouldn't, because obviously quite an important part, even though I hate doing stickers. That's one side, and the other. It's a bit difficult, because even though it is actually dinner time, it is still fairly dark. So 6, 7, 2, 3. Number 1. Number 1 is there. That seems a bit short. So that obviously goes there. That number 1. I think it's meant to be a bit short. So not an exciting start. I know. Stickers. Once we've got the stickers over though, we can get to the good bits. It's a bit. Again, I shouldn't. So yeah, it goes to there. And obviously on the other side. So we just got that one to do. And there's a couple more that I don't know what they are, but we'll soon find out. really anal about it. Right, so I'm taking that off and not really checking it, but it's pretty obvious where it goes. And on that side, and those two little ones just go on the back, I think. Sticker wise, it's like when I do the Ectomobile, that'll be at Christmas. It's a Christmas present. I am not putting the rust stickers on it. It's like this, there's certain stickers you can put on it to make it which kind of part of the film. You can make it Star Trek 3 or Star Trek 4, Bird of Prey, which is good. You get the Star Trek 3 figures, but you can actually make it, we'll see in a bit, optional stickers to put on there, which I am going to use because it's bloody cool. So there's the stickers gone. As I said, there's an optional sticker which makes it really cool. You're wondering what it is now, aren't you? Oh, you'll have to wait. Right, so you'll have to wait till this next bit because it doesn't say it's optional, but I'm supposing it is. So we do have, it does say optional there, it's optional, and it does say on the instructions that it's optional. But tell you what, HMS Bounty, got to do it, Hunter. It's got to be the HMS Bounty, definitely. So putting that on there. So it is the HMS Bounty. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And if you want to do it in Star Trek 3 Enterprise, you can put it that way. Right, so step 6, we're putting the lighting in. It's ready, and I just haven't got this one ready. Unwound it, but that clicks into there. Actually, that is the support on torpedo, isn't it? And go like that as it goes through there. I think it just goes through there, doesn't it? I think that just goes through there. Yep. I'm going to click that in. That should go. Ah, there we go. It's got that looking instructions. It's got like a little circle to press the. That's something we can press that in with. The missiles. Yes, it does shoot missiles too. To get trapped, that's all. That's not wanting to go in there. Get in. Get in. You know you want to. There we go. Right, so that should be that. It does actually go through there. Going on to step 7. Trying to thread that through there. There we go. So that threads through there then. Comes out the back. So just fold down there. step 8, we put in the casing on that, so I'll keep that in there. There we go. Click that in. And there. I think we should have put that in first. That goes in first, right, there we go. And that clicks in there. Right there. That's trapped in there. That's good. That won't damage anything now. And we need to put the bell on the bell, which is that. There we go. So that goes into there. Lovely. We now have to put the battery. I've already put the batteries in. I have to plug that in to there like a telephone thingamajiggy, and then that goes that way. Sorry, that way. That should slide in there. And it's not doing it. How's it just go? It goes to go there. Ah, I see. Look, there's like a locking mechanism. So there we go, and that locks into there then. So that locks into there. So you've got all your buttons to press. I'm not going to do it yet. You have to hold your horses. Build it first. Next we've got the. I've only got one. Like I was saying, it's a small bridge. Go. That slides into there. So that slides into the cockpit. I'll call it a cockpit because it's not a bridge, is it? I know it's a bridge, but it's more like a cockpit. What do you want? You can't. You could make a play set, but your bird of prey is not going to look correct, is it? If you have a big bridge, unfortunately, it's a shame. I know, but you've got to accept these things, haven't you? You want it to look good. So these two bits go there. The cloaking coils. And that fits on there. That's 11 done. Number 12, we're going on to the wings. Let's put this to one side. So we do have extra addendums to, I don't know why, I don't know what the difference is. So we need that one first. We need lots of these yellow ones on that side, but it's showing green ones on 13. Do we do the yellow ones? So why have we got both? They're exactly the same, but I think I'm gonna go with these and use the green ones. We do have the little tool which you use to put them in. So I'm gonna use green. It's not the best. It's not the best. There we go, something a bit laborious. Putting these in. You don't need to use that, to be honest with you. So I think you put them all in. I'm using this addendum as opposed to yellow ones. I don't know why. I couldn't tell you. Maybe green looks better than yellow. I don't know. But I've opened both anyway. Let's get these put on. It's a much easier build than the Enterprise sofa, which is not saying much, is it? It took me, I'd say, 2 hours to do the Enterprise. Worth it in the end. But some parts I obviously had to speed up because yeah, it was quite boring. That go. No, that goes that way. Oh, it does say left and right. So we've got a right wing. So it goes on like that. We do need to put the gun up too. And make sure we get the right. No left and right on that one, unfortunately, but it's not very secure, that, unfortunately. It's not brilliant, but it's a bit bent as well. It's a bit floppy, unfortunately, but never mind. And we do have to. Yeah, I know, it's a missile, but yeah, and it does fire out. Pew! But I'm not going to do it just yet. You do get extra missiles, so if I do lose, it's fine. So that's one wing. We're going to do the other wing. Might as well do the other wing, aren't we? That right? Yeah, that's right, isn't it? Put the green ones in. Put the yellow ones on this side. No, keep it. Yeah, me. I've got to have it correct. Have it uniform. There we go. You got one extra. God, you know, if you lost two, you just have to use yellow ones, wouldn't you? But yeah. So that's those in. The wing on there. That on there. Another missile in there. So I'll swallow it. Right, so he's telling you to put it on the stand. So I don't know what these bits are for, but I'm sure we'll find out. Right, so we'll get the stand back and put the wings in. I would prefer to not do it on the stand actually, but never mind. They should just click in. I tell you what, I'll just take it off. Just do it. That doesn't feel very secure to me, but I guess it must be. Yes, it must be. It's not, I can see the gap. I can see the gap. Right, that's in now. Let's get the other wing on. I'm surprised they don't go together, go up and down together, these wings. But not a big issue, is it? Oh, God. That is probably the hardest part of this build, putting these bloody wings on. Getting those on there. Really. They're not even clicking. That's clicking a bit. So I'm just wondering. Yeah, that's obviously in flight mode. I'll get it back on the stand. Making the balls of that right. So, are they meant to go together? Yeah, they're meant to go together, aren't they? But, yeah, they're meant to go together. So they're not doing that yet, but I'm sure they will do. So if you I wonder if there's like a release mechanism or something. I don't think there is. I think it's just manual. So yeah, there you can feel there's resistance on each side. Well, because it's hover mode, well, in flight mode, hover mode. So that part, there's two of those for some reason. Got like a periscope that goes in there. I think it's supposed to go in there. It doesn't fit in there. That's got like a little ball on it. So there's a bit that might be in a bag that I've missed. It's got a little ball. I'll find it anyway, we'll get it on. It'll pop up sometime. Throwing things away. So, right, we've got all the little bits to go on now. That I'm assuming go on somewhere. Well, that goes on there anyway. And there's meant to be a little... We've got these periscopes. I wonder if that's meant to go... Oh, that is meant to go in there. Oh, there and there. That's meant to go in there. And that goes at the back there. That's them two that I've missed. Now it's these two that I've missed. There's something there. Two bits left over and one bit missing. It's a good start, isn't it? That looks like something that I remember from when I built Birds of Prey before. Tell you what. Oh, hang on. What's this? That is for when you hang it. So that goes in, obviously goes in there. The stand. Those are for the stand. That's why I can't find them. When I'm going to hang it from the ceiling, and obviously sort that out. I won't do that just yet. I want to just find this last little bit. Tell you what we need to do. We need to do these that can go there with the rest of them. I wonder if it's in with the because we haven't opened the other Klingons yet. We haven't opened the other Klingons, so it could be in there. I think it is. Kabla. So Klingons, obviously, go on the planet. They should go on the Enterprise. They've actually got little cufflinks and daggers and things. Cuffs. Oh, there's a dagger, but no little pokey little bit. So they need the daggers and the little cuffs putting on. In a bit. Last little bit. It might be on the floor somewhere, because I just emptied the bags out. But we will find it. We need to do these now. So what we do is, each of these have got bridge pictures. You can see that there. It does tell you how to do the hanging. No, it's not there. It's not there. If it's on the floor, I'll pick it up and I'll pop it in. It's just I like to have it complete. Right, so we're going to do these because your view screen will light up. I will show you that your view screen will light up. I'll show you when I get these sorted. So that must go in that way. That goes in that way. So they want to be that way up. So what we've got an Enterprise, and they are pretty see-through, so things light up on the screen. So there's the Enterprise in there. So when we turn it on, I'll put these on later. You want to see this, don't you? Put these on in a bit. Get rid of this Klingon. I'll do with the rest of the bits. And we need to turn it on now, don't we? It's not heavy. It's not heavy. That's a good thing. Right. So obviously we've got the battery pack, but there's the USB cable, so I can put it into the mains. It does work because it did work. Ah, there we go. I think I might need better batteries in, to be honest with you. I don't know what that's for. That's strange. It does all the sound effects. It does all the sound effects. All the. Does the warp speed? Does all the dialogue? All of it? Does the decloaking? Yeah, I think I need to put better batteries in because it's not very loud. And that lights up. It is lighting up. You see there. I know it does say a lot of. It does all the dialogue from Star Trek 3. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's very low. No way I can get the speaker to be louder. I'll put better batteries in, to be honest with you. Not sure. But there we go. I'll do a full review on it. I think you turn it on with that. That's the on and off switch by the look of it. The green button. There's the clock. I need to read the instructions. To the thrusters. I want to just do the decloaking. I love that. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Fantastic. Well worth it. If you're going to buy this, it's well worth it. And thanks to Playmobil for sending me this, because that's just so good. It's so good. I love it. It's one of my favourite ships in all of sci-fi, really, but all of Star Trek. So yeah, it's the best enemy ship, I think, in Star Trek. I do Enterprise first, Reliant, and then the Bird of Prey. So hopefully I might do a Reliant next. I don't think I will. I'd like to do the refit Enterprise, which would be pretty cool. So yeah, I need to put this Admiral Kirk Genesis device and Grism. Oops. So yeah, you take this out, and obviously you change your screens, and these screens fit in there. You keep them in there, which is good. Save that there. Right, there we go. Thank you for watching, and I'll do a full review on it when I've got all the electronics working and put some new batteries in it. So thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. May toys be with you.